we have 3 more. If you missed my first video of these, you should just go watch it. But these blind boxes are from a brand new blind box company. They're called Emotional Misfits, and they're so cute. We did 3 in the first video. We got Petal, we got Root, and we got Wilt, which means we're gonna get Sunny, Fernie, Thistle, or a secret. I'll drop the website below so you guys can check them out, or their TikTok or whatever. Okay, should we go? Let's go. Yeah. All right. You guys first. Well, I see green. Look at me peeking. Not me peeking up over the top. I just want to see too. Oh my gosh. Okay, so his little leaves get scrumpled. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is Fernie, and he has social anxiety. If you can tell. This is Fernie, and he says, I should have stayed at home. Oh my gosh. These are flipping adorable. I am obsessed with these. Next. Okay, let's go. Yes. Oh, I love a good pop. Okay. Maybe I should close my eyes so I don't peek this time. Oh, I'm so excited to see this one. Ah! Hi. I'm happy. Oh my god. Wait, are you happy? Oh, sorry. This is Sunny. Okay, I don't know. These are so freaking cute. This is Sunny, and she says, I'm fine. In brackets, definitely not fine. I'm sad that this is almost over. Last one. Could it be a secret? Maybe. That would be cool. All right. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Ready? I'm a little nervous. Oh my god, not a secret. Oh, look at him. Wow. Okay, this is Thistle, and he says, it's not you. Okay, it is you. They did such a good job with these. Like, I actually can't even deal. They're just so different than anything that I have. And I just love them. I'm gonna put them up. I got a new shelf. They're going up. Okay, I put them up. Look at them up there. They're adorable. Okay, so my original plan was to use that shelf for my Nancy's, but then I found out that these were coming, and I feel like they're just so perfect for right there. They're so cute.